Alrighty, welcome back to Biology with Cal. This time we're on Unit 2. Okay. First up, subatomic particles. The three subatomic particles are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Okay, next. 6 main elements of life. Also quick. Chomps. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. Next. Types of bonds. Okay, there are 3 types of bonds. Ionic is when electrons are transferred. Hydrogen is between a hydrogen atom and a negative atom. Remember, this is the weakest bond. And finally, covalent bonds, when electrons are shared. Now there's 2 types of covalent bonds. A polar covalent bond is unequal sharing, and a non-polar covalent bond is equal sharing. Next, properties of water. Cohesion is water sticking to itself. Adhesion is water sticking to other stuff. Transpiration is evaporation through the stomata of a plant. Heat capacity is water holding in heat from the atmosphere and regulating temperature. Remember that ice floats in water because it is less dense than water. Next up, enzymes in humans. The 3 enzymes to know: pepsin breaks down proteins in the stomach, lactase breaks down lactose, and amylase breaks down food in the mouth. Speaking of the mouth, the digestive system. First stop is your mouth. Chemical digestion with your saliva, mechanical digestion with chewing. Next up, your esophagus. No digestion, but it connects the mouth to the stomach and has the ability to contract if needed. Third up, the stomach. Chemical digestion with our friend pepsin from earlier, and mechanical digestion because your stomach can contract. Following that, the small intestine. Chemical digestion here is with other enzymes, and there's also some absorption, but no mechanical digestion. Next, you guessed it, the large intestine. No digestion occurs here, but there is some absorption. And finally, the anus. Waste is eliminated, and you have digested. Congratulations! Alrighty, next up, the 4 macromolecules. Okay, time to move on. We're going to race through these. First up, carbohydrates. Monomers, the lovely monosaccharide. Elements are CH2O, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, aka carbon and water. Used as an energy source, the monomer can also be a disaccharide or polysaccharide. The prefix just refers to the number of sugar monomers. Examples of where to find them include bread, pasta, fruits, and veggies. Moving on to lipids. Monomer is fatty acid. Elements are CHO, aka carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Used as an energy source, energy storage, organ insulation, and in the plasma membrane, can be saturated, unsaturated, or trans. Find them in food like chips and pretzels. Next up, proteins. Monomer is the amino acid. Elements are CHONs, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. Used as an energy source, the immune system, transportation in the body, chemical reactions. One example is with enzymes, can be found in foods like meat, dairy, beans, or nuts. Last one is nucleic acids. Monomer is nucleotide. Elements are CHOMP, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Elements include storing genetic info and information to stay alive, expressing your DNA, and making proteins. Our example is DNA along with RNA, and this little acid can be found in any once living thing. Alright, other important information that is good to know. This includes buffers are these things that can resist changes in pH in an organism. The solvent is the dissolver, and the solute is the thing that dissolves. The pH scale goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral, aka water. 0 to 6.9 is acidic, 7.1 to 14 is basic. Okie dokie, that's all. Thanks for watching. Unit 3 on ecology is up next. Comment if I forgot anything. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye!